How we doing? How we doing? How we doing? How are we doing? How are we doing? That's a bit better, isn't it? Wait for a few people to join, and then we'll get on with some analysis. So we had this like 2 rejections to the downside, so this is quite a nice buy, to be honest. Wasn't on stream at the point, but yeah, nice buys here. But the candle that I just closed with low volume, so I'm not interested in any continuation. But yeah, we'll wait for a nice setup during this session. But we'll get on with some analysis in a minute. Good morning, Miss Man. How are you doing, bro? How are you doing? Oh, nice 40 pips there would have been there. I'm sure some of the group would have caught that. I'm sure some of the market cruiser or cruise effects group have caught that, surely. Right, let's grab some. Get on with some analysis, guys. We've got a couple of nice sells this morning, but let's come over. It's the last day of the monthly candle, so we're going to start off with that. Not too much to be said, apart from the fact that we're very heavily bullish. As you can see, we really don't have much of a top wick at the moment, so we may look to leave a bit more of a top wick. We may close with no top wick, but that's why we come down to the lower time frames. Weekly, again, very, very heavily bullish. We're going to be closing bullish as well on this month, that is. On the daily, as you can see, we had a nice gap up. We already filled that gap, as you can see, with the bottom wick, respected the previous low of the previous candle, flipped bullish and continued to push up. Now, this big push happened during the Asian session, and then a bit more in the London session. The Asian session, we pushed over 400 pips. You can see on this candle from Asian Open, pushed 400 pips. So I'm just going to turn this music down a little bit. There we go. So pushing it, such a big push in the Asian session, typically you'd see the London session start to consolidate. However, we had another further push during the London session. We had 400 pips during the Asian session, and then we pushed another 150 pips during the London session. Then we did have a nice period of consolidation. It's come down to 15-minute. We had some this consolidation in here. Still some really, really high volume candles. Really high volume candles, as in there's a lot of pips in each candle, with lots of high volume. So that's good for us today. What are we left with right now at the moment? So I did have my most recent support. This is my no trade range here. Most recent resistance and most recent support, meaning this is a no trade range. However, it's such a big range, right? It's 100 pips, as you can see, 100 pips. So you can find trades within the range. For example, we had this minor support formed here, and the resistance. We had this candle closure below, high volume closure. My only worry here was the support here, but as you can see, we had a closure below the minor support, and then we continue to push bearish to match the previous support with these clean candles, which made sense with the volume. Didn't take that, of course, because of the support, but the volume made sense. Now, we had an ever so slight closure below our most recent support at 3115280, but as you can see, a tiny body, big rejection wick. The next candle, another matched the previous low, another small body, big rejection. So these buys here at the break of this previous wick were valid. Like 2 rejections to the downside, high volume, break of previous wick, really nice buy. Didn't take these, wasn't at the chart right then. Just before stream this happened, 15 minutes before stream, is what it is. But at the moment, so we are just going to be holding tight in this range now with our most recent support. I do want to, more ideally, we get a closure below the rejection wicks for the sells. Initial targets at 3109, 500 area. See, we've got these clean candles to fill. Next target area, we've got more clean candles to fill, this initial wick fill. And then below there, it's beautiful, more clean candles below there, more clean candles. If we start closing back in the Asian range, as you can see here, these clean candles are beautiful. So we've got the Asian lows at around 3,075-ish area. So we do start having the big rejection bearish day. Don't particularly see that happening, but we have to be fluid in the markets. We have to be fluid in the markets, and we will react to what is presented in front of us. So at the moment, waiting for a candle to close outside of this range. We sit on our hands, we stay patient for the moment, for the meantime. If you've got these buys, well done. God, I missed that buy, I got too busy with work. Oh, this one just here, Mitz. Yeah, I was setting up a stream, wasn't ready for that either. So, but if you're not ready for a trade, there's no point in getting FOMO or stressing. If you can't take it, you can't take it. Another time, another day, that would have happened 15 minutes later, and we would have all been on it. So it is what it is. Just got to accept it. But yeah, I'm more bullish on the day, of course, as you can see on the daily, very heavily bullish. This 4 hour is about to flip bullish, as you can see. Don't particularly like the previous 4 hour closure, but we have got high volume. If we can break the previous 4 hour high, we're going to have a spike of volume to the upside. So yeah, we'll wait for a nice setup, and we'll get it. We will get it. Wow, some messages that I receive, man. You know, not even a hello, nothing. You know, funding frontier, talk with them, it's not working on MT5. I purchased the account, I'm unable to take a trade. You know them, talk to them. Not one hello, not one please, not thank you, how are you? Like, just straight up, do this. Imagine talking to someone like that. It's crazy how rude some people are, man. You know them, talk to them. No, I'm not going to help you if you're going to talk to me like that. And number 2, it does work on MT5. Took a trade on it this morning. Audacity shocks me. Yeah, it's crazy, man. I just like, wow. You want someone to help you and reply to you and stuff. And it's just like, wow, come on, man. I just wouldn't even think of not saying please or hello. Like, straight up demanding me to do something. Let them know. I've let them know. Do 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 do. Don't know where everyone is today. Where is everyone today? Oh, I haven't updated my journal from this morning. Oh, I have actually. I did it on my phone whilst I was doing gym workout. Yeah, nice 2 trades. Oh, I haven't gone over my trades this morning. I'll show you. Oh, I've only put 1 in, but I only called 1 out, but that's fine. I only did 1 in the Telegram. Discord. Yeah, so, man, I've just seen this set up so many times. At resistance, there was 2. I took 2 trades, 1 here. So 1 trade here, just secured, like 10-15 pips. Loads of volume bullish candles coming up to its previous resistance. High volume here. We failed to sustain that move, closed very weak bullish. High volume again, divergence candle. This candle here, looking at this candle all the time, there's always a rejection when you see a candle looking like this. After such a big push, after the big push, after the liquidity grab, the big push, loads of pips already swept, and then you break the previous high, and then the people that took the buys at the top of there, they're stuck. They've now closed with a weak bullish candle, and you've got the divergence coming down. Now, divergence candles, I normally like to see it bigger than the previous, but the fact that we swept liquidity to the upside already was just massive for me. And then again, took another sell at top of here. Again, just like another 10-15 pips secured. So this was more, I was way more confident in this one, right? So we had a nice run up. Initially, I was like, okay, we've got no bottom wick on this half-an-hour candle, so we can target and come and collect that. So that was my initial thoughts. We got the closure up above this minor resistance. We closed at this resistance, lower volume, and then the next candle tried to break above. Did catch an okay move above there, like probably like 10-15 pips, but then closed very weak bullish. Then you look at the volume, insane volume. This is a lovely divergence candle. Break of the previous wick low. On divergent candle, I normally go stops above current. As soon as we break previous low, got nice. It actually pumped for 27 pips, but caught a nice 15 or so there. So yeah, really happy. Two nice dubs this morning during the London. So let's carry on the good form. See if we can get another one. I only put one of them wins in there because I only really talked about one of them in the chat. So that's fine. So that's 8 in a row rather than 9. 2 on the stream. 2 win streak on stream, 8 in market cruiser, personal trades. So yeah, things are going okay. After the 2 weeks prior to, well, 3 weeks ago then, 3 losses here, couple there, couple, is that last month? Yeah, so rough patch, but now we're like fully recovered now, back to where we were. So yeah, exciting times. Oh, the guy replied, sorry for my rude behaviour. Actually, I'm a student, so when I get paid money and it was not working, I got panicked. So I texted you in a wrong way. I'm extremely sorry for my rude behaviour. So he said something wasn't working, so he took it out on me. Why is it? It's not my fault. I appreciate that he said sorry, that's nice. Like, some people would just not admit that they're being rude, but he was like, I'm really sorry, so that's fine. do 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 do. Really nice day out today. Really nice day out today. I kind of want to sit when I finish the stream. Sit on the windowsill bit. You can look out to the sea. It's really nice. Where I do my trading and work and stuff. Welcome to the stream, guys. Welcome. Appreciate it, guys that like the stream. Thank you very much. Goes a long way for me. Goes a long way. I know we're very small at the moment, but every little bit helps. Every little helps. This time next year, we'll be streaming. We're streaming every day until whenever, and then we come to this time next year. Hopefully, you know, we might have hundreds on stream for all we know. So I appreciate my OGs that are always here supporting me, my originals. Big love. Jafar, yes, took the buy. Let's go. I was just saying that before. I don't know if you saw the beginning of the stream. I was setting, this is 15 minutes before stream started. So I was just setting it up, didn't see it, but I was saying this is really nice valid buys. So good job, Jafar. I'm really happy that you caught that. Really nice. 2 big rejection wicks below this most recent support that we had off of our analysis. You're not going to be trading off of a rejection wick for a small body. But then 2 big rejection wicks, high volume, nice respecting the previous low, nice lower wick, breaking the previous wick high, bang. Perfect. Well done you. Very, very, very good analysis. Now we're just, at the moment, just waiting for this range now, right? We've got this big, big range. We might form a smaller period of consolidation within the bigger range because it's 100 pips, but at the moment we're just waiting. Ideally, we want to see a closure below the rejection wicks, and then if we get the buys above, that's even better. Looking at this half an hour bottom wick, I will expect that to get taken out at some point. Because normally, you want for nicer candlestick and price action, you want to see a healthier bottom wick, but this isn't a healthy bottom wick. So after this push, we may see that get taken out at some point. Kind of seen this 4 hour, this pattern before in the candles where, I mean, if we do break the previous 4 hour high, I would expect it to continue bullish, but I've seen this before where we have a smaller body on the previous 4 hour. We have a big dump down as if like we're going to keep driving down because we've got the weaker body. We come back, all the way back up, collect a bigger top wick, and then we can drive back down. Potentially. We'll see. But what we do now, we wait for a closure. But guys, if we close above on this next candle, say we've got the next candle, closes above, right? So that border, just make it nice and neat. So we've got a closure above on the next candle, right? Is it then a good idea to wait for the next candle to then break above and take a buy as we start breaking above the next high? Is that a good idea? Absolutely not. Why isn't it a good idea? Because we've travelled from the bottom of the range to the top of the range, which initially is 120 pips. Plus the closure, you're going to be looking at 150 pips that you've moved bullish in one direction. So the likelihood is you're going to have a pullback at some point. So you have to wait for perhaps a small bearish candle at that point. Ideally, from the bearish candle, well, let's just change the colour of that, just so there's no confusion. But we're rejection now anyway, but if we've got the candle closure above, ideally you want a weak bearish candle like so, right? Taking out the previous high already, entice sellers into the market, buys into the market, and then the next candle, then you can impulse that buy there. That's a lot nicer. Even better than that, you get the MC play where you take out the previous lows of the previous candle, and then you continue up to break previous highs, so you can have a nice entry there. So that's a nice plan for buys if that happens. It's a lovely plan for buys. But taking the buys off of moving so far bullish in one direction, from the bottom of the range to the top of the range, is where a lot of traders go wrong. Because you're like, oh, got the closure, we're above the zone, we're above a key level, we have to take the buy now, and then you get taken out. You have to look at the details as well. After you get your closure, it's a good sign, it's a green flag. Then you have to look at all the red flags around it. Is there a better setup after the closure? Closure gives you the bias, and then you need to be smart. Wait for the good setup after the closure. Do. So what are we, like 3% up on 50k? And I'll check my other ones. So the 100k mess that I had is pretty much back at break even now, which is nice on that account. 50k on this, 3% up on this account. Fund is looking not too bad. Took a nice little W on that this morning as well. So yeah, we're in a good spot, guys. We're in a good spot. 8 in a row, 8 win streak, and 2 in a row on YouTube, which is nice. So yeah, we're in a good spot. We're in a good spot. Hope we can get another dub on stream today. What did I say about that 4 hour, by the way? What did I say about the 4 hour? Have the drop. We've got the weak 4 hour body on the previous candle. Have the massive drive down, then come all the way back up, get a bit of a bigger top wick, and then drive back down. So that's playing out exactly as said at the moment. So we'll see. Bum-ba-da-bum-ba-da-bum-ba. Staying patient for now, guys. Staying patient for now. Jafer does 5k pro firm good to take. Does a 5k prop firm good to take? Yeah, man, 100%. Like whatever the account size, it doesn't matter. Only if you're consistently ready, like on a demo. But whatever the account size, doesn't matter. If someone makes 10% on a 5k account, it's exactly the same as making 10% on a 100k account. Yes, the money is different, the capital is different, but it doesn't separate the bad traders from the good traders. It just means you're at a different stage with capital in your trading journey. That's it. So if you buy a 5k account and you make 10%, and there's another trader that buys a 100k account and makes 10%, you're exactly the same level in terms of trading ability. There's no difference. Kind of like this half an hour as a divergence candle to continue on down after that big rejection. I I don't want to rush into it because it's just the start of the hourly candle now, and I like how the previous hourly took out the previous highs. So you know, if we come back up and make a bigger top wick and then re-break our own low, I'll be liking that. So we'll see. We may break the previous half an hour low now, which we're doing. If we come back up, come back up and make a steeper top wick, and then re-break our own low, might be more interesting because we had a nice high volume closure. So maybe another divergence for the day. Didn't quite break the previous half an hour, which is a bit disappointing. We did break the 15. I want to break these previous half an hour lows, then make a steeper top wick, and then come back down. Because then we can use current candle stops rather than fucking 60 pips. Bum 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 bum. Come on, break these half an hour lows, come back and get a bigger top wick, and then as we re-break the lows, we can continue down. Let's see if we get that. Oh, why did you delete your message, J5? It's a good question. I liked it. Good question. Keep the questions coming. God, we're not moving. Yeah, we've had so many 5-minute candles in a row bearish now. So yeah, looking to break this previous low, perhaps see a reaction, break our previous high, break the high again, and then look to re-break the lows. But yeah, I really like how we took out the previous highs in half an hour for this to continue down. At least just feel our own wick. But we're just very, very bearish at the moment on these 5 minutes. We need a little bit of a pullback. Because we have slowed right down. Volume is dying right down. So yeah, just need to see something. A liquidity grab followed by a bigger top wick, and then we can continue down. Okay, here we go. Making a bit nicer top wick now. Still haven't broken the previous low, which is a bit annoying. Do, do, do. Price is slowed right down. This is why I want to wait for the half-an-hour wick break first, then create a bigger top wick, and then re-break the lows for the sells. Because we're just at a standstill at the moment. J4, yeah, bro, wait for the sells if 50 minutes can make the top wick and then break the low. Yeah. Just need to be a bit extra careful here because, like, I mean, just even looking at the 1 minute, look at this side by side trading. So taking the trade as soon as it breaks that half-an-hour wick is a bit risky in my opinion. So wait for the break, wait for the break of the high, and then re-break the lows, just to be extra cautious. If it goes straight away, it goes straight away. Like, is what it is. But the fact we're just not moving at the moment is such a red flag. Volume is just decreasing massively. No news today, which is nice. No news. Just in Liverpool 1 at the moment. Yeah, zero movement. Zero movement. Zero movement. Let's get this guy to push him down. Push him down. Move. Do 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 do. Yeah, this 15 minutes got 5 minutes left now, and we've had zero movement. So we're just gonna stay patient. Stay patient. There we go. We've broken the previous half-an-hour low, finally. So let's see if we can break the high again. And then re-break the low. Look at that, instant rejection. As soon as we break that low, this is why I wanted to wait. I wanted to wait. Definitely need to wait for this 15-minute closure. What would be perfect if we closed anything like this on the 15-minute, the next 15-minute comes up, takes the previous high, and then we come back down, take the previous low. So we've got an MC play to the downside. Looking like that. Lovely drawing. But yeah. Only problem we have now is this volume is horrendous. Horrendously low. Yeah, if we break our current high and then re-break the low, I wouldn't mind that at all. Still got 17 minutes left of this half an hour, so. Definitely just wait for this 15-minute candle to close now. I've got 2 minutes left. One minute till this 15-minute closes. It's not like in this very, very small volume, small body. But you know the plan, we could break our current high, then re-break the low. We'll be all over themselves. Well, no, it's pushing in the last 60 seconds, crazy. Last 40 seconds, we've got 40 seconds left of the candle closure and it starts pushing. Is what it is. It's okay. Whoa, crazy. Look at this, guys. 10 pip push down, 10 pip spike back up in the last 60 seconds. Look at that. You know the drill. If we can re-break our current high and then come back down, we look at the sells. See how the 15 closed? Very ugly. Yeah, we can take out these previous highs and then continue to push down. I wouldn't mind that at all. Yeah, not a very nice closure. A lower volume closure on that 15 there. Come on, can't break our own high. Do. Just get myself all ready and prepped. So yeah, we want to see this previous high get taken out on the 15-minute, which would be the break of the current half-an-hour high. And then if we re-break their own lows, maybe even perhaps when we flip, we can get a nice earlier entry. Here we go. See, normally I'd like an MC play, but because we've got such a big rejection wick, I'm not looking to anticipate an MC play. It's way too big. This is like, yeah, 40 pips. So we re-break our own highs. The ordinary. See, we're coming back down now, perhaps. Can we come back down? Give us an entry. Still got 10 minutes left of its candle, which is healthy. No top wick on this 5. Would like to see in the top wick first. Ooh, flipping bearish now on the 15. Just made a bit of a more of a bottom wick on the 15 now, so let's see. Can we continue down? Not yet. Yeah, may not get an entry at all, and that's fine. If we come back down, start re-breaking the previous wick, which would be a nicer flip of the 15. Give us more of a chance for a nicer entry. Is it doing so now? Ooh, it's nearly. Looking a bit tidier now. Yeah, I'm gonna, if we re-break our own low now on the 15, I'll look to enter in a nicer position. Can we re-break our own low on the 15? Which, let's have a look at the 5. That'll be that driving down. Yep, okay. Gonna give that a go. Bit of an earlier entry, but I'm gonna go stops above current candle. Take profit, hopefully get that MC play. Down at the bottom there. We're anticipating this 30-minute divergence candle to continue on bearish. Very small risk, it's only 350. It's not even 1%, so don't mind it. Really expecting this 15 to continue on bearish, break the previous low. Nice MC play, anticipating this MC play. We've got 7 minutes left now of this half an hour divergence, so hopefully we can continue on to break our own low. Sitting about 5 pips up at the moment. Nice drive on the 5. Want a higher volume closure ideally on this 5 minute. Oh, saw about nearly 10 pips there. How's the volume ending on that 5? It's pretty low, which is a bit annoying, but yeah, we anticipate the next one. We close below the support on the 5, which is not so bad. Five more minutes left of this half an hour candle. Still want it to continue to push down. If we close anything like this, I'm expecting us to re-break our current low. That's the only thing. So if we close like that, I won't be interested. I'll just get out of the trade. Just need to break that 5 minute low. I might just adjust my stops to the 5 minute high here, making it risk free, so I don't really want this to flip. There we go, risk free now, and I'll probably close out. If we re-break the 5 low now, there we go, that is 10 pips, there we go. So risk free, secured one lot, really nice trade, another W in the bag. So now we just leave, I'm leaving a 0.6 lot for the runners, which is really nice. So I don't want this 5 minutes to flip bullish, so because we've only got 4 minutes left now. We can continue to drive, it'll be tasty. But as we start to come later on in the candle, I wanted this to drive now. If we start coming later on in the candle, I'd rather make it risk free. Yeah, lovely, lovely, lovely. There we go. There we go. There we go. Might secure another 50% there. 3. Lovely push. Scored another 50%. Look at that beautiful push. What we're running, 25 pips at the moment. There we go. There we go. Now we're coming down to that support. I'm going to close another 50%. At that support now, another 50%. We've got a 0.15 lot running left. So yeah, nice. Good job. Good job. Another W in the bag, guys. Another W in the bag. There's the MC play that we anticipated on the 15. There's the drive on the half an hour that we anticipated. We broke the previous lows early on. Came back to pick our previous highs. Anticipating buys into the market. And then re-break of the lows, which you got a bit of an earlier entry on the 15 on the flip. But yeah, another nice W. Very, very nice W. We went aggressive with our stops here because we didn't want this 5 minute to flip bullish as we're coming later on in the candle. But yeah, nice. Another nice W on stream. Let's just see if we can get a bigger runner now. Because we tapped into that previous support now. So essentially that's the move done really. But yeah, nice. So we got 29 pips in total there. We went aggressive with the stops and securing the partials, which is absolutely fine. Never a bad idea to take partials. And we went aggressive, making it risk-free because we were later on in the candle. Sorry, it got down to the last 5 minutes in the candle, so we didn't expect it to leave it that late. But yeah, nice W in the bag. Mixman, very nice trade, bro. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Yes, Matty, good to see you, man. Good to see you. Did you hop on the sales with us? Was you in the stream in time? Took the half an hour divergence, another divergence. Yes, yeah, we got to sell, Took the half an hour divergence of the big rejection, high volume on the half an hour. We waited for the 15 minute to take the previous high, so it was actually, so we initially, if I try and explain this well, we liked the divergence in the first place. And then it broke the previous wick low quite early on, but then I said, because we did it too early on and we were coming quite late on in the 15-minute candle, wanted to wait for the wick break on the previous 15, so we actually made a bigger top wick on the half an hour, so then it taking people out their stops. And then as we took out the previous 15-minute high, and then as we kind of flipped bearish, the divergence candle was still in play on the half an hour, of course. So yeah, it all lined up really, really nicely. And then we looked at the previous hourly. I like the previous hourly, how we took out the previous hourly high, and then closed weaker bullish. So yeah, not too shabby, not too shabby. Just see if we can survive on the runners here. But we secure partials around 12 pips. Then more at about 15, and then more as we came down to this previous support. Just going to see about that. See, this 15-minute closure was low volume, so if it goes, it goes, but I'm not expecting too much. Yeah, lower volume closure in the half an hour as well, guys, so I'm not really expecting us to melt at the moment, but we got a trade done, we've made it risk-free. Didn't know if it was too late. Yeah, it went well. We got a bit of an earlier entry, so we still had about 8-9 minutes left. Need some. I've got water. Just put it up on here. Let's just see how far we can go, I guess. Oh, we're still going. We're still holding. We're still holding. Where's that final TP? Oh, let's whack it down a bit more to this previous support if we do continue on bearish here. Yeah, another nice trade, guys. That's fucking 3 on the stream, 9 in a row for the personal. Today's trade, I put 15 because it's like in the middle of it. Got like 30 pips, 29 pips, but I'm just gonna put 15. It's gonna average out about 15. Plus 15 what? Plus 15 pips. And then wins 3. See, we've swept the clean sweep after them. A horrible 2 weeks. It's just so much better for the mind mentally. And now we're doing really, really well. Keep it pushing. Good job, good job. What are we at? 30 pips. 14, 15, 16, 17, 32. Ooh! With no top wick on his 15. So I'm expecting it to come up and collect it. If we start re-breaking our current low, I'm going to start trailing this stop as well. Yeah. There we go. I'm going to start trading my stops above the current 15 now, guys. Beautiful. Really nice. $40 pips. Might as well just secure another little 50%, I think. Why not? Thank you very much. That's what we say to the markets. Well done if you caught the trade as well, guys. Good job for turning up. And good job catching it if you caught on with me. I don't know why it says VWAP sell. I don't like on Match Trader how it tells you where you took your position, but it doesn't tell you where your stop loss and take profit is. You have to click on it like that. But yeah, nice. Trade done. Lovely, lovely, lovely trade. That's 3 divergence trades I've taken today. What a beauty. But good job. Good job if you caught that, guys. Another trade on stream. WWW. Yeah, lovely, 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 lovely. Another YouTube. Oh, guys, can we get some W's in the chat? Can we get some W's in the chat? I'm just going to quickly the story. Another YouTube live stream, another W taken. That's 3 trades, 3 wins taken live. This was the half-an-hour divergence candle that we had, and then we took the break of the lows, took the sells. It was a bit more anticipated than that, but essentially that's what it was. Lovely. Let's get some W's in the chat, guys. Good job, WWW. Yes, Matty. Thank you, man. Mitts. Good to see you. So good job for turning up, guys. Another W on stream. 40 pips in total. Scored about after about 12, 15 partials, then 20, and then got closed full as we got taken out break even. Thank you, guys. Oh, yes, Brad. Good to see you, man. Yeah, not too bad. Not too bad. Let's update. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, we've got one more just now. 03, 31, 2025. One in London today, one in New York. New York, gold, sell. It was a mix of the divergence. It's hard to put it. It was a mix of the divergence / flip of a candle / impulse, anticipating MC to play on the 15. So, what to put it as? I don't know. Let's go impulse because the initial idea was divergence candle. Break of current high low on that 15 there. Took it off the 30-minute. We closed partials at 10, then 15, 20, and 40. So closed partials at it's about 12, and then we'll just put total gains like 16. It's around that averaged out. Yeah, nice. 9 win streak on the personal. A market cruiser trades since we opened market cruiser. That's really nice. So that puts us 105 wins, 7 break even, 32 losses. Slowly climbing back up to 80 now. We went up to 80, came back down to 75, maybe 74. Now slowly climbing back up, slowly but surely. And then that's 3 wins on the stream, which is really nice. 3 win streak on stream. Yeah, good job, good job, good job. So this is why we secured more partials at this support, because we've now obviously respecting our support. So yeah, really nice. Trade idea was on the previous candle, but you know, you can always get runners. I would have liked to see this hourly continue to break the previous hourly low, but yeah, all in all, really nice trade. Having a good run, mate. Tidy, yes, thank you. All from the gym, yeah. You love it on stream too. Thanks, David Lloyd. Yes. Yeah, I was able to have a bit more of a chill one this morning, less of a rush. Finished the market cruiser stream a bit earlier. Wasn't stressing myself out too much to get everything done. Gave myself an extra half hour, so it's pretty nice. It's going to be me done for the day, I think, for taking like 3 trades. Sarafia, let's go. How you doing, man? Jafer, win, come on, 100%. Yeah, let's go. Fucking loads of W's in the chat. Really, really, really nice day. Sarafia, great. What about you? Yeah, I'm all good, thank you, mate. How are you doing? How are you doing today? Have you, as in like trade? I know you're doing well, but trading wise, have you managed to catch anything today? Brad, how good is the Santa? Oh, it's so nice, man. Really, really nice. It's I might actually, when I come off stream here, go over to the beach and just chill on there for a little bit. Maybe I'll go live on Instagram and I'll do a little tour. do, 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 do. Took no trades today. It's festival season here. Oh, nice. So festivals is in like, what kind of festival? Music festival. Is that just from today? 150, 30, yeah, nice. Real nice. 226 bagged on that, that's real nice. So nearly 4% up on that 50k, it's really good. Is that just from last 24 hours? Alright, so last 7 days. Oh, okay, nice. Got ya. Good job. So just get a screenshot of that latest one. Print screen. Three sales today, all been divergence candles. I'm just gonna mark out that so I can get a screenshot as well. Print screen. We Hindus celebrate Ugadi and my Muslim friends celebrate Eid. Oh yeah, yeah, nice, yeah. Well, I hope you are having a good time celebrating, man. New Year from us from today. Oh, well, Happy New Year for you. Well, happy, did you say Happy Eid? Happy, I don't know how to pronounce Ugadi. Did I say that right? Well, Happy Ugadi, Happy Eid for you. Just getting all my trades up on screen so I can get a nice screenshot. Really happy with today. Just want to get that in the Discord as well. Just not opening for some reason. I just have to do it on the internet Discord, maybe on the browser. Is that the right one? Sorry guys, I won't be with. I'll be with you in a sec. If I don't do all this now, I'll just forget. Well done. Oh, you want to see that? Okay, nearly done. Put it in Cruise Effects and Market Cruiser. There we go, sorted. Send. Thursday, 11 AM. Thursday. I've got a question in there. There we go. Sarathia. Yeah, right, bro. Look at the moon tonight. If you spot it, we'll have a great year ahead. Nice. I'll keep an eye out for the moon tonight. Give us some nice good luck for this, for the year ahead. Your new year ahead. What's this TP1 doing here in the middle? Just don't think it's meant to be there. What we can do now, guys, we've obviously got this strong support. We're respecting it as a rejection area. We've got this resistance. Perhaps, maybe, we can use this as a wick fill area. If we get a closure above this most recent resistance, maybe. But again, I won't be looking to take another trade. But if someone else is looking to take one, I'll be happily here to guide you. But keeping this fresh analysis for now. It's like a rave going on downstairs by the sounds of it. How hot is it outside? $15 degrees. Anybody else take any other trades today? Be interesting to hear if you did. So there was a couple of nice buys early on. I didn't take these buys, didn't get it. This setup here was really nice to take the buys. There's another okay one here. Coming into all-time new highs, obviously there's always a bit more added risk coming into all-time new highs because there's no previous date to go on, right? You'll have hundreds of thousands of people trying to sell all-time new highs. You'll have hundreds of thousands of people trying to buy all-time new highs to take out the sellers. So it becomes a tricky area. So I don't blame anyone that doesn't want to trade all-time new highs. I don't blame you guys. If you're taking a break there, but just got to use when you're coming into all-time new highs. There's no candles to go off on the left-hand side. There's no previous data. You just have to use these $5 increments, take partials along the way as TPs. So if we got, let me just work something out quickly. If we got 226 and we'd put 1.6 lot on, it's nearly 20 pips in total. So yeah, it was about 16, 17. Trying to figure out for the journal. Oh god, I've got so many entries to do on my FX bullshit journal. Need to update it, it just looks so much better. Yeah, I've got about 20, 30 to put in. When eventually I'll just stick to one account. Stick to one account and it'll just all be in this place here, it's so much cleaner. What was that? GeoGuessr, yeah, this place got a trade now, so I'm gonna play this game. Oh, gonna need some help here, guys. GeoGuessr, let's do it. You get 3 goes each day. Right, guys, where is this in the world? I need your help. We have to... Oh, wow. Where is this in the world? Tinsing International Trading. I need help. Where is this in the world? We've got to put it on this map. It's got to be somewhere here, obviously. Maybe China? Yeah, look at these. That looks like China to me. Is it China? Japan? Oh, I don't even know. Maybe it's Japanese. Yes, Brad. This is going to be our... Mate, I have no idea where this is. Got 40 seconds. I need some help, guys. I'm just going to guess in Japan, maybe. Tokyo. Oh, so far away. No way. Toronto. No, yeah, it was an awful guess. Not Japan. Oh, the stream must be a bit behind. Right, let's do a new one. I could do it with you, I'll just have to wait. I'm dying. Right, here we go. My geography is bad. So just have a look around. What do we reckon, guys? Where is this? What language is that? No idea. Oh, these are little tut-tut things, aren't they, in India? I'm thinking Indian vibes here. Could be so wrong. Signs are in Thailand. We've still got a minute, so just keep exploring. These tut-tut things, I thought they were like pharmacy, Is this like Arabic? Is that Arabic? Shoes bank. Oh god, we've got 30 seconds. My only problem is, I'm so bad at geography. Where the hell is India? Oh, there it is. Yeah, where do we go with? I'm just gonna go here. Oh, it's in Cambodia. Oh, look, there's that, the writing. Yeah, I would never have got Cambodia. Only 1,800 miles out. Africa. You said Thailand, to be fair, which is a lot closer than my guess in India. So Thailand's just here. One more. That's it for the day after this one. Oh. What's that sign? It's not French, is it? Is that French? Potentially. Oh, stream is slow. Oh man. 20 seconds. Oh yeah, I think that's just normal. As long as it's not like laggy. YouTube's normal, I guess. Brazil. Oh, okay. Okay. So we're in Brazil. which is over here. Now let's see if we can narrow it down a bit. Somehow. There's a sign there. Doesn't really help. Seconds. Portuguese. Oh, I see. Hotel point. So I have to guess. I'm gonna go. Here. Oh, you said Portugal, man. You said Portuguese, but you got right. It was in Portugal, yeah. Oh, well. Mate, you were closest with the Portuguese. Good job. Finish the game. Come back, we'll do it again tomorrow. Still pushing bullish here. Still lower volume, so we will stay patient at the moment. It's good, good fun. New York Open now, which is good because the clocks have changed again. Oh, I've got. Have to go grab some lunch in a minute as well. I like this play where, just delete that so it's not so messy. I like this reverse MC play here where we took out the previous lows of the previous candle, but we didn't quite break this previous high and we finished with no top wick, so it's just a couple of red flags. If we had more time in the candle and break the previous high, I would expect it to continue on bullish easily, but we didn't do that and we closed with no top wick. The only thing I do like is higher volume than the bearish candle. But yeah, no clean entry there really. $50 minutes till this candle closes as well. Are those volume bars the total volume of both buys and sells? Nice. Yes. Obviously the red volume is the sell-offs, but in total there is, because obviously you got the 5 minute candles, right, and each bar is each for each candle, and you got the 1 minutes of course as well. But yeah, got like a massive, like nearly 1 hour lesson in Market Cruiser on the volume bars. But yeah, each volume bar is for each candle, bearish ones, red ones, bullish ones, green ones. Essentially, if we want a closure outside of our range, right, and it's a low volume closure, not interested in taking it. Obviously, we want high volume closures, and there's loads of different techniques you can read how to read them. But yeah, they do come in handy for sure. Question is, what do I have for lunch today? Thanks guys for the ones that left the likes on the stream. I really appreciate that. Obviously, if you're new here as well, guys, don't forget to subscribe. And then if you want the more consistent updates, more analysis and everything, and the announcements of when we're going live, etc., content, everything, all in the free CruiseFX Discord, which is in the bio. So obviously, if you want to learn even more, got the Market Cruiser course as well for the mentorship, but totally down to you guys. Nice pushing on gold now for buys, but again, with no previous top wick on that previous half an hour candle, but I like that we're pushing more bullish, because obviously the overall trend is bullish. Oh, what push! Such a shame that we finished with no top wick on the previous candle, but yeah, really nice. Previous hourly wasn't very nice. This is another red flag for me as well, where the previous hourly, we couldn't break the previous hourly to that low or previous high. We just finished within the candle, so makes it much more unpredictable for the next candle, whether we're going to go bullish or bearish. So yeah, not FOMO'd about that at all. No FOMO there. Too many red flags with that push up. The green flag was this candle, taking the previous lows, nearly taking the previous high, but there's about 3 or 4 red flags I can find in that one. But we are about to close above this minor resistance, but the idea would have been the wick fill, which we've pretty much already done. Potential, let's see how many pips we got above that resistance. 20 pips, that's not bad. Yeah, I mean, guys, for when we come off stream as well, again, like we said it earlier, if we get a candle to close bit heavy, that music for me. If we get a candle to close above this range now, coming into our gold all-time new highs, this is going to be the plan for the rest of the day. If we get this candle to close above the range, is it a good idea to take the buy straight away? If we look like this, but bullish 1, 2, 3, 4 bullish candles in a row, and then we would have moved from the bottom of the range to the top of the range and moved over 150 pips in one direction. Is it a good idea to take a buy at that point? No. Just be that little bit extra patient. If we get that closure above, wait for a small bearish candle, like so. Make that red. Wait for a small bearish candle, which hopefully it takes out the previous highs, enticing more buyers into the market, which a lot of people will enter because of the closure, enticing them into the market. They have stops below the current candle, they get taken out. And then ideal next situation, wait for small bearish candles, keep staying patient, and then you can look to have a nice impulse entry, right, at the break of the previous wick. Now there's an even more ideal situation where, yes, this is a nice impulse going to all-time new highs, but even better, if you're lacking confidence, low on confidence, wait for the liquidity grab, like so. If we grab the liquidity, the MC play from the previous lows first, enticing sellers into the market. So you've taken out the buyers, you've then taken out the sellers, and this is why MC plays are so effective with volume. If you then get the push at break the previous wick, then you can expect a bigger surge of volume. So that'll be the nicer plan for the rest of the day for you guys when we come off stream. But I will be heading off now, guys. I'm going to go grab some lunch, and then I'll probably come back to the charts after that. Go chill on the beach for a little bit or something. But yeah, thanks for coming on stream, guys. It's another W, free win streak, free trades, free wins. But yeah, thanks for coming on, guys. Really appreciate all the love and support, and I hope you have a good rest of the trading day. Enjoy the W that we caught, and we'll go again tomorrow. See you same time tomorrow. Peace.